students, welcome back. In our previous class, we discussed about artificial satellites and its uses. Do you all remember that? Okay, very good. So, in our today's session, we are going to discuss about Indian astronauts. We already discussed about the space journey of Yuri Gagarin. Do you know who was the first Indian go to space? Yes, you are right. It is Rakesh Sharma. He was the first Indian to travel in space. He was born on January 13th, 1949 in Punjab. In 1984, he reached space in the Soviet rocket. In 1984, he reached space in the Soviet rocket Soyuz T-11. He spent 7 days, 21 hours and 40 minutes aboard the Salyut 7 space. Besides him, people of Indian origin like Kalpana Chawla and Sunda Williams have also gone to space. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian-born woman to fly in space. She was born on July 1st, 1961 in Haryana. She flew in space flight for 2 times. In space, she conducted many experiments. During her second space flight, Kalpana Chawla was tragically killed in an accident that occurred to the space shuttle Columbia on February 1st, 2003. Another Indian woman who fly in space is Sunda Williams. She was born on 19th September 1965 in Euclid, Ohio in America. Sunda Williams holds 2 world records to her credit as the woman who has spent the longest time in space and the woman who walked for the longest time in space. Let us listen to what Sunda Williams has to tell you about her experience in the space. How beautiful is the sight of the earth through the window of the space shuttle. We can see day and night on the earth simultaneously from the space. The objects in the space station revolving the earth do not experience weight. We cannot walk here due to the weightlessness. Walking there is a kind of floating. Even the air we need to breathe has to be brought from the earth. Here we drink water and eat food in a strange way. We cannot bath here by pouring water. We scrub ourselves using a wet sponge. We cannot even sleep soundly here on the bed. In order to prevent floating around, the body has to be fastened with a belt to the cord that is firmly fixed. As there is no air in space, the sky appears dark. Stars can be seen even in daytime. Space is a world of wonders, isn't it? You have now learned about the space experience of Sunda Williams. Complete the table by writing down the reasons for her experience in space. Next heading, Human beings on the moon. The moon is the only other celestial body on which human beings have laid their foot on. My dear children, do you know who is the first person to land on the moon? Yes, you are right. It is the Americans Neil Armstrong and Edwin Buzz Aldrin were the first to land on the moon on 21st July 1969. The spacecraft Apollo 11 of the American Space Agency NASA was used for this. The astronaut Michael Collins also accompanied them, controlling the flight of the vehicle. July 21st, The anniversary of the day humans first laid their foot on the moon is celebrated as the Moon Day. So, which day is celebrated as the Moon Day? Yes, it is July 21st. In which spacecraft they landed on the moon? Yes, the spacecraft Apollo 11 of the American Space Agency NASA was used for this. Okay children, it's all for today. Hope you enjoyed today's session. See you in the next class. Thank you.